Aloha my YouTube family, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to make an amazing drink. We're going to make two types of drink. It's mint and mango mojito. It's absolutely amazing on a warm summer day. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. So let's get started with making the mojito. So here we have our ingredients, and they are mint, sliced lime, split lime, mango, powdered sugar, Sprite, and crushed ice. So the ingredient amount is based on the amount you want to make. So we're gonna start with our mortar and pestle, and we're gonna add our limes to it. We are then going to add some mint into the mortar and pestle along with the limes. Some powdered sugar. We use 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. And these are all the ingredients in the mortar and pestle before they get pulverized. So we're crushing the ingredients well so that all the sugar can dissolve. And you can see all we are left with is the mint debris and some crushed lime. So we have our glass here. It's a very fancy glass for the summertime. And we're gonna add whatever is in the mortar and pestle inside the glass. Just dump it all in there. Alright, now we're gonna take our crushed ice, which we could not obtain. We tried to hand crush it. Didn't really work out. We're gonna then grab our lime, and we're gonna use a citrus press to just squeeze out all the lime juice from it. Just like that. And you can see it's just pooling up at the bottom there. And we're gonna take some Sprite. Now you can substitute Sprite for 7-Up or ginger ale. And if you want to add a little bit of fanciness, you can go ahead and coat the rim of the glass with just dip it in some lime and some sugar, and you get that nice frothy look on top. And they look amazing and ready to serve. So if you want to be extra fancy, you can add that lime slice at the corner of the cup. Let's go ahead and make the mango mojitos now. So we're going to start with some cubed mangoes that we got. We're going to add it into the mortar and pestle. We're going to again add 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Whatever mint we had left, we added it in there as well. Make sure you have plenty of mint with you. And finally the lime, the most important part of mojitos. And before they get pulverized, just one final look. So we're gonna crush it really well. It takes a little bit more time because the mangoes, you have mango chunks, but you want to try and squeeze them down as much as possible to get as much of the juice out so you can taste it in your drink. And you can see, look at the beautiful colors, just summer beautiful colors. Just alright, now we're gonna get our glass. And just like the lime mojito, we're gonna go ahead and pour everything out into the glass. We're gonna add our semi-crushed ice. Please use crushed ice. And we're gonna go ahead and add our Sprite. And try to mix it up a bit, try to get the ingredients up on the bottom, and as you can see, they look really, really refreshing. They tasted amazing. They're great to have by the pool. I had one earlier today. It was amazing. So I hope you guys really enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you go ahead and give the recipe a try. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.